to the very last week of the coding bootcamp, guys. Woo! Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Yes, this is the very last vlog. I will have 2 weeks combined into one because this was actually extended by 1 week. So it was not 12 weeks long, it was 13 weeks long. Plus we have one more mini session, but I'm not really counting that because we're literally gonna meet up at a Starbucks and just like discuss a few things and then like go home. So it's like not gonna be an actual coding bootcamp session, but we are getting together just to finalize things. And also I just wanted to apologize for the lack of footage over the last couple of weeks. I just didn't really have anything to explain. I wasn't really learning much. I mean, I was learning a lot, but nothing I could really explain to you guys because it was just things regarding to the projects that I was learning about, and I knew that you guys wouldn't benefit from it or anything. I was just strictly like working on the project. So, but there will be a little graduation ceremony in January, so that'll be pretty fun. And then we were given some interview tips from front-end web developers, and they were just giving us some examples of what is expected of you to know and the best ways to answer these sort of questions during a front-end web developer interview. So that was especially very helpful for me because, you know, one day I will be in that position where I will be going for interviews to be a front-end web developer. So I appreciate that they went through that effort. Also, by the way, welcome to my Christmas display. I don't know if you've noticed yet, but I'm a little crazy about Christmas. Like, woo. I even have a peppermint mocha sitting next to me. That's how Christmas and basic I am. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a whole like video about my pros and cons and just my overall opinion about the coding bootcamp, but I can answer a few questions now since I have already completed the bootcamp. Now, okay, would I do this coding bootcamp again? Absolutely. I think it was really cool that we got this real world experience. This is going to look awesome in my resume and on my portfolio, so I'm so excited, and I was really passionate about the web project we were working on and the cause that it has, so that was really cool. And then what did I like the most about this coding bootcamp? So I think what I liked the most is that I got to learn by doing rather than just reading boring textbooks and following a process that maybe works for some but not all. I really liked the hands-on learning experience and having someone to guide me just in case if I was lost. What did I like the least? Now this will kind of counteract my last answer, but I disliked that we didn't have that much to do throughout the week. Like, I mean, we had things to do throughout the week that wasn't during the coding bootcamp, but I just wish it was more structured. Like, I would prefer that if someone like kind of gave me kind of like weekly homework I could do. Now some weeks we did have homework, but most weeks we didn't, so I kind of hoped that we would have more homework because I was kind of hoping that I could spend at least the same amount of time that I spent in class outside of class coding on my own as well. What did I learn the most? So I didn't learn, so you would already know this if you watched my vlogs, but I didn't learn as much JavaScript as I was hoping. I do have a better understanding of it now that I've been able to get more real world experience when it comes to JavaScript, but I was working in a different framework, so that was kind of confusing for me, and because of that I kind of missed out on a lot of coding opportunities when it came to JavaScript, and I was kind of put more on like the CSS side of things. But I'm hoping with more experience I can get better JavaScript because I do enjoy it. I do enjoy learning about it and how it works. It's all very fascinating to me. But I guess what I learned the most about was the different ways to style things when it comes to CSS. I thought I knew CSS before, but I was wrong before I went to this bootcamp. I mean, I did know CSS, but not in the way that I know now. Like, now I just feel like I know it pretty well, and I actually really enjoy it. I love it. It's like solving a puzzle to me, and I really like it. And what did I learn about myself? So I learned that I learned that I don't necessarily want to be a web designer. That's kind of what I was hoping to be. I mean, I flip-flopped between different types of positions, but before I joined the coding bootcamp, I kind of said, okay, I'm an aspiring web designer. I'm not sure about a front-end web developer, but I kind of just want to try it. But now I think what I learned about myself is that I actually really do enjoy the technical side of things. I enjoy coding more than I do designing. Surprisingly, that's something I didn't know about myself, so that was cool. But like I said, I'll have a follow-up video explaining more about it. I just want to get into the vlog and show you the little bit of footage that I do have from the last 2 weeks. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Thank you so much for following along in my bootcamp journey. If there's any other bootcamps I should join here in Singapore, or even ones that are online, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on my Tech Girl Brianna channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of this journey with me. Okay, so today is the very last bootcamp session, and I am actually so sad because it's been so wonderful and so great, but I will share my reflections and feelings about the whole coding bootcamp once I've had a moment to sit down and think about it. But right now I gotta head out the door and head to the coding bootcamp. I've packed myself a little lunch because need some brain fuel, some vegan salad and some apples. Yeah, I'm headed there now. I'm a little bit nervous because I didn't nearly get as much done this week as I wanted to, because honestly I just got stuck and I was at the point that I was like, I don't know what to do. So I might have to stay longer today, which is totally fine. It's just the last session. But yeah, let's head over to the very last and final session of the Tech Ladies Coding Bootcamp. All right, just got here to the office, and now we are about to start the very last week. Tears. Oh my gosh, I can see myself. Whoa, there I am. Hello. Yeah, so got myself a little lunch. Super healthy. I made myself a vegan tempeh Mexican salad. Yep, really good. And some apples. Brain food. But check out my desktop wallpaper. It's not just gorgeous. I'm obviously living in the wrong country because I can't get snowy mountains anywhere here, but that's all right. I have my desktop wallpaper. Okay, irrelevant. Exciting update, guys. We are actually not done. I thought this was my last session, but you'll see at least another 2 weeks of me and what I'm working on. So I will just go ahead and combine it in this video because I just don't know how many more videos or weeks there will be after that, so this will be a longer video. Okay, hey guys, it is now the next week and we're doing another session of the Coding Bootcamp session. So it's technically week 13. So yeah, I don't know how many weeks I'm gonna include in this vlog. That's why this vlog is going out so much later than week 11's vlogs, because I'm combining a few weeks together. But hope you guys enjoy. This might be the last vlog, or if we have too many sessions, I might split this whole video in two. So today I have to completely redo some CSS on this one page I was working on, because I didn't realize that when I'm building web pages, I'm supposed to first do it in mobile and then desktop, but I did the other way around. And because I did the other way around, I completely screwed up how it's supposed to look like, and now like it's way too difficult to try to make sure that everything works in mobile. So I just have to completely just start fresh, do it from scratch. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. So I'll see you guys there.